This guy's an absolute sweetheart. He's on the shy side. He's only about 10, 11 months. But he's maybe no more than 30 pounds. He's really small. Here you are. He's overwhelmed at the shelter, but I'm sure he'll blossom in a home. I just love these shy guys. Yeah, you're a little sensitive, huh? Your nose is sit. Sit. Oh, that's such a good boy. Look at that pink nose. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I can't stand it. Yeah, what's going on? Look at that fish. Oh my goodness. Look at that fish. Oh, hello, hello. Show everybody how tiny you are. Are you getting playful? Are you getting playful? Oh my goodness. Let's sit again. That's such a good boy.